Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to cover a strategy that is going to be one of the best things you can run to find optimized keywords that result in the highest conversion. And the strategy I'm going to cover is going to use auto campaigns to find some potential keywords, then running those through a broad campaign to find longer tail keywords that people actually search, and finally exact match campaigns that take the highest converting keywords and maximizing your sales. All of these three different campaigns in conjunction with each other's will be your best bet to identify keywords for maximum conversion and lowest ACoS. My name is Zane and I'm from SellerMetrics, an Amazon agency dedicated to teaching and improving PPC strategies to Amazon sellers to maximize their revenue and their profit. All right, so first we need to run an auto campaign. Simply put, the auto campaign allows Amazon's algorithm to try out a bunch of different keywords based on your product listing information. Specifically, it uses the information in your title, bullet points, description, and backend search terms. This is an incredibly efficient way for discovering new keywords and identifying relevant audiences. And I'll show you how to set that up real quickly here. So here we are in our Amazon Seller Central front page. At the top left, click the green three dashed lines, go to your campaign manager in advertising. Once in your campaign manager, click create new campaign, and we're going to create sponsored products. In sponsored products, name your ad group something referenceable by you based on your product and the type of campaign that you're running. And in your product, click the product that you would like to run. So I will do baby monitor shelf mount. Then we scroll down and we keep it as automatic targeting for now. And then under automatic targeting, we're actually going to click set bids by targeting group, and we're going to turn off substitutes and complements. The reason we're turning those off is because substitutes and complements target other products that might be similar or relevant to your audiences, whereas close match and loose match targets keywords, which is what this entire strategy is all about, to find optimal keywords. Once you have those, I want to give you a quick explanation of what a close match versus a loose match is. A close match uses search terms closely related to the product. For example, if you're selling a stainless steel water bottle, it can be also shown up for insulated water bottle or metal water bottle, very closely related terms that reference the same thing. In contrast to that, there's loose match, which targets much more broader terms. So for example, for the same stainless steel water bottle that you might be selling, it might show up for gym water bottle or bottle for hiking. So these are all loosely related that are referencing the same thing, but not exactly the same as stainless steel water bottle. Anyways, set this up, put your bids in, scroll down, negative keyword targeting. We're not actually excluding anything right now because this is a shotgun approach to find relevant keywords for us. And scroll down, pick the bidding strategy that makes sense to you and adjust your bids accordingly. Obviously, the top of search is the most effective ways for conversion, but pick your adjustments as you see fit. Type in your campaign name, once again, something relevant, and then pick your start and end date. As far as how long you want this to run, I would say minimum 2 weeks, but I recommend 3 to 4 weeks. And the reason I say that is because it's going to give you a bigger sample size of data. Type in your daily budget and then launch campaign. Okay, so once the time has passed, the 2 weeks or the 4 weeks that you ran it for, we need to download the search term report to identify which keywords were doing the best. So to do that, we go into your menu, reports, and advertising reports. And then you download the report for the campaign that you ran, that automatic campaign. And then when you download it, something like this shows up. It's a big Excel sheet that shows you all of the campaigns that you ran and what keyword it was targeting, and it gives you the relevant click-through rate, the cost per click, ACoS, and all that stuff on the keywords. So this gives you a really nitty-gritty detail of which keywords actually worked and which ones we want to use for the next steps of this strategy. Now, you'll be doing this for multiple keywords and setting up multiple campaigns, but for the interest of time, I'm just going to use an example of one keyword. So in this case, I'm going to use baby monitor mount. The reason I'm picking this is because it had a lot of impressions. It had a solid click-through rate of 3.3%, and its ACoS was 26%, which is not bad. Normally you want to aim for as 20%. Well, normally you want 0%, but 20% is a realistic number. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to copy this and keep that in mind for our next step, which is running a broad campaign. Now, before I move to step 2, which is running broad campaigns, like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and let's move on to the broad campaigns. So here we are, we go back to our Seller Central, we open a campaign manager, create campaign, and we're gonna go to sponsored products, name your ad group as you see fit, click the exact same product. We're gonna do manual targeting this time. We're gonna keep it at keyword targeting, of course, and we're gonna enter a list and we're gonna copy and paste the keyword that we discovered from that automatic campaign the step before, and we're going to turn off exact match, we're going to turn off phrase match, and we're going to use broad. And the reason that we're doing this is because this allows you to capture longer tail keywords that you can then convert to exact match campaigns. So baby monitor amount is then going to be used by the Amazon algorithm and identify keywords, longer tail keywords that people are searching based off of this keyword alone, right? So we're going to add this keyword. We're going to scroll down. We're not going to include any negative keyword targeting, and pick the campaign bidding strategy as you see fit. Adjust your bids as you see fit and what you can afford in your budget. Name your campaign something easily referenceable. And then I would say run this for another 2 weeks, and then set your daily budget and launch campaign. And if you guys are finding value in this PPC strategy, we cover this and a lot more in our book, so check that out real quickly here. If you want to learn more on how you can optimize Amazon PPC, you can get a free copy of our ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Amazon Ads, Advanced Tactics and Best Practices. This book has received a 4.8 out of 5-star rating on Amazon and has helped beginners and advanced sellers alike. Click the link in the description below to sign up to our emailing list and receive a free copy. Okay, awesome. So we've run our broad match campaigns now, and what we want to do is actually download that search term report again. So what do? We go to Amazon Seller Central, we go to reports, and we go to advertising reports once again, and then we download the report that was all about that broad match campaign that we just did. And what you will get is something like this, kind of the exact same looking thing, where you have the ad group name, the targeting, this big Excel sheet that tells you all the nitty-gritty details of the campaign that you ran. So as you can see here, this broad match, it took the baby monitor and found out what people were actually searching in the Amazon search results. So we have baby camera mount, monitor wall mount, we have baby monitor camera mount for baby monitor, and so on and so forth. So it took that baby monitor and it realized that people often search wall mount as another longer tail keyword that they always add in. So we picked the one that works and is converting the best. We copy and paste, and then we go on to the last step, which is running exact match campaigns, which is going to Amazon Seller Central, and I'll show you how to set that up. So in this step 3, exact match campaigns, the first 2 steps were all about finding the ones that already convert the best. So by the time we're at this step, exact keyword campaigns, we're only running exact keywords that have proven to convert. So what we want to do is go back to your campaign manager and we create the campaign. We go to sponsored products, name the ad group as you see fit, pick the exact same product that we have been doing this entire strategy for. We go to manual targeting, keyword targeting, and we enter a list, that long tail keyword that we discovered. I didn't copy and paste, so I'll do that real quick. Here we go. So we know that this one converts really well. So what we want to do is type that in, but then we eliminate broad and we eliminate phrase, and now we have exact keywords. It gives you the suggested bids and what bid you're going for, but you can adjust it as you see fit. You can include negative keyword targeting here. That's outside the scope of this video, but you can choose to do that in that case. You can adjust the bidding campaign as you see fit and the bid adjustments. Name the campaign something that makes sense to you and that you can reference it, and then set a start and end date. Now, this one can be a little bit longer because you've already proven this one to work. So you just want to kind of keep it working in the background and ideally getting you sales, but always constantly check your campaigns to see if they're still performing as they once were. Once they stop performing as well as they once were, you want to identify why and potentially kill that campaign and do more research on finding the keywords that now work again. Then type in your daily budget and launch campaign. And that's it, guys. That's how you can find the ideal keywords that have proven to convert sales for your product. It takes a little bit of time because you do have to run this for a few weeks, but it's an excellent launching campaign or a reset campaign. I think you should do this in tandem with other campaigns that you might be running. And if you like this kind of stuff and you want more help in running your PPC campaigns and how we can help you, book a call in the description below to identify how we can help you on a discovery call. And that's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.